In today's episode, we will learn farm animal counting 1 to 20. You will get to know on each slides and count the farm animals. Raise your hand if you know the answer and you will check your answer in next slides. Count the cows. How many are there? The answer is there are 6 cows. Now let's go next. Count the pigs. How many are there? There are 15 pigs. Next, count the horses. How many are there? There are 10 horses. Next, count the sheep. How many are there? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and how many are there? There are 8 sheep. Next, count the donkeys. How many are there? You can use your pencils and fingers. The answer is there are 11 donkeys. Next, count the ducks. How many are there? The answer is there are 6 ducks. Next question. Count the goats. How many are there? Can you see? There are 20 goats. Next question is chicken. Count the chicken. How many are there? And the answer is there are 12 chickens. Next is llamas. Can you see the llamas? How many do you see in this slide? The answer is 4 llamas. The next question is the turkeys. Can you count the turkeys? How many are there on this slide?
There are 17 turkeys. Count the rabbit and tell me how many are there. There are 9 rabbits. Great job, everyone! Keep learning.